Hi, this is Delcie coming at you live from Mission Ridge with episode 2 of On the Way Up. A lot's been going on the last couple weeks and I'm here to catch you up. The last of the extrication of the upper terminal took place. They cut the portal towers, they came crashing down, and then we trucked them off of the mountain. And the last little bit of the upper terminal remnants was the lift-off shack, cut off of its foundation, and that was also moved and taken off the mountain. This is so exciting. The first 2 towers have made it up the mountain. Our weekend crew worked really hard to get these up here. Towers 17 and 18 are here, ready to go into their holes. It's pretty fun. Woohoo! As you can see behind me, Ignacio's crew is prepping for another big pour for the foundation wall here at Midway. Here I am at the bottom of chair 4, where normally there's a short lift line, but right now there's just a lot of wood. All of this wood will make the foundations for the towers. These are the boxes at the base of the tower. They're set aside for each one of the towers that will be built up on the mountain. And over here, they're finishing touches of the plinths. The plinths will go on top of those foundation boxes and be specific for each tower for the concrete to be poured. Here at Pica Peak, we actually are using it for a staging area. If you'll notice behind me, we've got all of these beams and parts and pieces that have been cleaned, painted, ready to go up the mountain. There's 2 colors here. Dark gray, that means it goes up to the top terminal, and the light gray will be the bottom terminal. And over here we have pieces of the bull wheel. They are so large and they're pretty darn heavy, and so we had them shipped in halves in order to be able to fit into the containers. Well, that's a wrap for episode 2 of On the Way Up. Stay tuned in the coming weeks and we'll keep you updated on all of our progress. See you next time.